I think it's a modernization, 3 billion. 8 billion will be sourced from Malampaya.
Sir, was there a briefer submitted to you by DILA regarding the looming price crisis?
Kakasagot ko lang. Kakasagot ko na ba? Teka na nga nagsabi. They didn't say that there is a looming rice crisis. They answered that yesterday and today, if I'm not mistaken.
Sir, nabanggit na rin.
I don't have to order people like General Garcia and Director of kasi Triponio Salazar to do what they should be doing. So, pero they reviewed all of the material roughly around that period and they said, no, I can actually, let me huwag ka na basahin yung text, ang hirap i-recover lahat. No? Pero both of them contacted me yesterday and they did research and they denied that, hindi na they deny, but they affirmed that they never said such a thing. Pero meron general na description that there are problems in the world food supply. You can even read the open access media, yeah, and it will be there. Na meron talagang pressures on the world's food supply.
So, sir, posible nga po yung 2 pesos increase po sa mga NFA rice natin na pinangangambahan ngayon, sir, itong deficit natin sa bigas.
2 pesos increase, I'll have to get to talk to Lito Barayo. Pero that's the first time I've heard of it.
Sir, kahapon po yung president ng Globe, si Ernest Gu, he said na kayo po and the government should study yung possible merger ng PLDT and Digitel kasi it might compromise those or yung competition and it might hurt consumers.
That is currently being studied already. There are allegations, there are amongst them from Globe. And siyempre, parang we want to ensure that there is a level playing field. So, marami rin technical aspects doon yung sa bandwidth, yung frequencies, etc. That I have to admit, I'm not an expert in these things. So, it is being studied by people more competent than I as far as the technical aspects are concerned. We will be sitting down soon with the economic team, with the Department of Justice, with the technical people from NTC. And as of now, nire-review yung merger of Sun and Smart.
Sir, do you share the same concerns, sir, na it might be harmful to competition?
Ang hirap naman doon mag-conclude, no? Because we are studying it right now. But I am concerned enough to warrant the study.
So, possible wage hike daw, sir?
In certain areas, nandun na yung trigger point of the 5% inflation rate. Nagkaroon na yata ng mga applications for wage hikes that are being heard by the tripartite wage boards.
So, inasahan yung good news po ngayong Labor Day, sir?
Hindi siya naman.
Sir, what message do you have for the families of those with relatives working in Japan, as well as Filipinos in Japan, regarding the level 7?
Yung araw-araw halos nakakausap ko na si Mario Monteo, sekretary natin sa DOST, tinatanong ko kung lumalala ba ang problema. At ang sagot niya, yung maraming technical aspects doon, pero bottom line, hindi raw lumalala. But at the same time, gusto natin maging prudent, kaya nga ang DFA, through Albert Del Rosario, yung minumukahin na nga yung pag-repatriate sa up to the 50-kilometer point, no? Yung sa 100-kilometer point, voluntary repatriation kung gugustuhin po ng ating mga mamayan. So ang ganda lang po sa Japan, more or less we have a definitive idea ilan ba ating mga kababayan doon sa affected areas, number 1. Number 2, yung nasa advanced stage ng pagcha-charter ng mga aeroplano para doon sa mga ililikas ng gobyerno mula doon. Pero hindi ulitin ko lang, hindi lumalala yung sa pananaw ng mga nagsusuri nito na ating mga dalubhasa sa larangan ng radiation, yung sitwasyon sa Japan.
Okay, thank you.
Kayo ba ipapanawagan niyo, sir, na na rin sila, magsiuwian na rin po sila, sir? Or nasa kanila pa rin po talaga?
Meron kasi yung yung sa Libya na lang siguro maganda example. Nung inalok sila ng 3 times na kanilang regular na sahod, no, na hindi ko naman mapapantayan dito. Siyempre, at the end of the day, meron pa rin namang kalayaan ng bawat Pilipino. Kaya natin gawin, magbungkahi. Maliban na lang kung talagang wala na pong sense yung kanilang kagustuhan, doon po dito sa Pilipinas, empower tayo ng mga forced evacuations. Apart from the Philippines, hindi ako ganun kasure kung paano natin ma-force.
Okay. Sir, so may good news po na hinihintay mga manggagawa.
Thank you.